Hello, all of you. Right now, you are connected to the internet. But have you ever stopped and you ever wondered what actually happens when you go online? You tap YouTube, a video appears, you search Google, results appear, you send a message, your friend receives it. It feels almost instant. But your data doesn't magically appear on your screen. It has to travel from some steps. So today, let's follow that journey with me from your device through the internet all the way to a website. So let's take something you probably do every day and while you are watching this video also. So let's assume that you open YouTube, you tap on a video, and within seconds the video starts playing. Alright, but here is the question. Where did that video comes from? Is it sitting inside your phone? The answer is no. Okay, so did YouTube somehow send the entire video directly to your phone? This is also not possible. So not exactly. Your phone actually has to ask for it, and that request travels through a huge network of connected computers. So let's see what that means. Next time you open YouTube, remember this thing. You are not just watching a video, you are actually requesting data from another computer, from another server, which is placed might be anywhere in the world. Pretty interesting, right? So what exactly is the internet? The simplest way to think about it is the internet is a global network of connected devices and networks. So this is how actually the network looks like. Your phone can connect to your Wi-Fi. Your Wi-Fi connects to your internet service provider, that is ISP. And eventually, your request can reach a server that may be thousands of kilometers away. So your phone, my computer, Google servers, YouTube servers, and millions of other devices can communicate through this enormous network at the same time. And here is the important part. The internet isn't one giant computer. Okay, it is a massive collection of network connected together. But if there are millions of devices, how does your request know where to go? Let's follow that one. So imagine you type youtube.com, okay, and okay, you open a browser. Your computer know how to find the right server. That is the main thing currently. Okay, so the first thing is finding the right server from your browser. Once the destination is determined, your device sends a request through the internet. That request travels across different kind of networks and eventually it will reach to your YouTube server. The server receives your request and it says, okay, this user wants this website or this kind of video. It processes the request and sends the required data back to the user. And your device receives that data and your browser turns it into the web page or video you see. So the basic journey is finding the server first, second, sending the request, third, server response, and then website appears onto your screen. And all of this can happen in just seconds or even milliseconds. So here is something crazy. The server doesn't have to be sitting next to you. It could be in another city, another country, or even another continent also. And yet, you can still receive the data almost instantly. So let's make this incredibly simple. Imagine you want to send a package to someone in another city. Okay, so you should start with your home. And that's nothing but your device in terms of internet. Alright, okay. Then the package travels along roads. Those roads are like the internet. And eventually the package reaches its destination, it's the server. The package itself? No, that's your data. So on the internet, your data isn't necessarily traveling along one single road. there are many possible paths through the network that can use different kinds of routes to reach its destination, and then the response makes its way back to you anyhow. So your device, then internet, then the server, and then again server to internet, then your device. So that is the flow of this internet. So that's the basic idea behind how the internet delivers information to you. Now think about this. You're watching this video from your device. Where do you think the server delivering this video could be? Your city? Or another state? Or might be another country? Take a guess and tell me in the comment section. So now you know the basic idea of internet. The internet is a huge network of connected networks. Okay, your device sends data, servers receives request and sends data back to the user or a client. And your device turns that data into the websites, videos or messages on apps you can see. All of this happens incredibly fast. But we have just uncovered one side of the conversation. Okay, who exactly is the client and what exactly is the server? That's remaining to uncover. And why does your phone behave differently from the computer hosting YouTube? And that's what we will uncover in the next video of client versus server. If this video made you look at the internet differently, make sure to like the video, subscribe to CodePaath and share this video with your friends. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep coding. Thank you all of you.